How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I'm going to do my update on HOLO, since it's a very popular stock. A lot of people are eyeing it. We're at 21 million volume today. So what's going on? And we'll discuss all this, guys. So if you guys don't understand, this is the band strategy. I look for big overreaction moves because that's how you get big reversals. You won't get a big overreaction move. If price is just staying right here at the EMA 20. I mean, I want to make sure I'm either looking for the extreme, like the oversold or overextended. If price is way up in here, we short. If price is way down here, we look to buy. So what we're looking for is that move up to the exponential moving averages. And as you can see, I'm not really happy about what I'm seeing here because as you can see, we just hit the EMA 5 and we just hit the EMA 10. So there our upside range is getting very little because the last target we have is the EMA 20, and that is sitting at 137, and the price is 97 cents. Yes, that's a very nice range to that, but the problem is it's going to fluctuate. This EMA 20 was 142 on June 24th, June 25th, which is today, it's now 1.37. So we want to make sure we get precise entries, and that is why we always buy when we are under the EMA 5, because this right here is your accumulation zone. You accumulate, you make sure you have time distance, and you sell at the EMA 5 because you know that's going to reject, and as you can see, we reject, and then we go to the EMA 10, and you definitely would sell at the EMA 10 because not a lot of the times you see it just go straight to the 20. Yes, it can, as you can see right in here. This big candle right here went under the EMA 5 and just went all the way and hit all the bands. I mean, that's totally possible, and then right in here it did it. But it's more like, if you're up a good bit, like right in here, this had a low of 88 cents, and I remember pre-market it went to 70 cents area, and it could have made massive money, right? And I was eyeing this, and I was like so close. I was so close. I got a little greedy. I wanted 4 to 5, maybe 5 days of daily candles, not touching the MA5, and it decided to just reset the time distance and touch that. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about the time distance, the exponential moving averages, the price targets, the average true ranges, I even have the KDJ down here, you really need to watch my education videos in my Discord. There's a link down below. It's one of the cheapest subscriptions I can offer. You get access for just swing trades for $6 or all my systems for $12 a month. And I promise you, you guys can win over 95% of your trades. That is a very bold statistic. I totally get that, but it's not unrealistic because you are going to miss out on a lot of trades. We're not trying to say, oh, Holo's going to $2. Holo's going to 3. I see these all the time, and I'm like, Holo's going to $2. You've been pumping this since $3, $4, $5, and now people are pumping this when it's like at $1. I'm like, so it's going to have to do 100% move now to go to $2, and that's just a break even for a lot of people. And so, as you can see, this last pump went to $2, and I tell everyone, we sell at the EMA 20. Don't risk it. It's going, more likely than not, it's going to drop down. Do not risk it. You sell it. You take the games, even if you're only up 5%. You just take it and let the market choose what it wants. And as you can see, I'll tell you time and time and time again. EMA 20, we go up, sure, we can go above it, but this is your dangerous area. This is very dangerous to buy in the black area. But as you can see, market went down. And this stock has been a gold mine money making machine. As you can see, every time you're getting your bounces to the 5 and the 10. Every time you got your bounces right here. Once you have time distance, you take your trades to the 5 and 10, and then you have more time distance right down here. As you can see, what you really want to see, guys, is this black space. So you see how a lot of these candles don't really have much black space, but then you start seeing black space here. That's when you start seeing the big returns and the big probabilities of winning. Same thing with here. You would ignore this. This is only 2 days of candles, but then you start seeing black space again, and then it pumps up. And then I'm pretty sure we saw it again. No, we didn't actually see that because it filled it up. There was black space here, but then the wick filled it up, and then it went back down. A little black space and went up. This is, but I totally get it. This is due for a massive pump like it had, and it can always still do that. But you don't want to be that person that, you have a $3 average, a $2 average, a 1.50 average. you know, even a 1.20, and then you're just like, well, I'm just waiting for the pump. It's going to happen. And then nobody really knows if it will happen. We just know in the past it has happened, right? But past results don't indicate future results. Just because it, you know, it pumped doesn't mean it has to do it. I recommend doing this system, guys. Obviously, this is not a trade for me. There's really not much room for me to the EMA 20. And we're not really below that EMA 5 for time distance, and you're not seeing that gaps, that black space that I showed you about on the EMA 5. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and actually have a strategy, know when to enter trades, know when to exit, get my alerts, get my journal on my win ratio of over 95% I win, and not here to claim you'll be a millionaire, but I can promise you you'll get that 5 to 20% consistent returns. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments. There will be a link that says join the premium Discord, and when you click that, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit server shop on the top left here where my mouse is, and there's 2 subscriptions. Obviously, I'm going to recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus. You get access to all my things, day trades and Swing Trading Plus, and you'll know exactly when I enter trades, exits. You get alerted on your phone if you just want to take my trades. But honestly, guys, this is more about teaching you how to fish. I want you guys to look at a chart and be like, oh, you know, HOLO's down a lot. I'm not freaking out. I have accumulation rules. I know when to accumulate. I have a strategy. I know price has to hit the EMA 5 in a very short amount of time. I know we're going to hit the 10 and 20, but I want to make sure we have time distance. You start relaying all this. The more you see charts, you'll be like, yes, it makes totally sense why I would not have been buying HOLO at this point, at this point, at this point right here, or even at this EMA 5 right here. It makes total sense, and that's what I wanted to teach you guys. It's better to learn how to fish than just take entries, right? You know, because a lot of people, like, they'll follow my alerts and they have no idea why they're following, and once, you know, times get a little hard, they're like, I'm down, like, you know, it'll be like down 3% and people freaking out. I'm like, guys, come on now. All right, but anyways, guys, if you want to join the Discord, if you subscribe, do subscribe on computer because it'll be the cheapest. If you do it on your phone, it charges you a little more. So I hope this video helps you. This is my update with HOLO. I probably won't do another one for quite some time unless I see something bizarre. But hope to see you guys in the Discord. Peace out. I love you all. Much love. Happy blessings. Stay humbled. And I wish the best for you all.